John 15 verse 16, You did not choose me, but I chose you and appointed you so that you might go and bear fruit, fruit that will last. Ephesians 1 verse 4, For he chose us in him before the creation of the world to be holy and blameless in his sight. 1 Peter 2 verse 9, But you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession, that you may declare the praises of him who called you out of darkness into his wonderful light. Jeremiah 1 verse 5, Before I formed you in the womb I knew you, before you were born I set you apart, I appointed you as a prophet to the nations. Deuteronomy 7 verse 6, For you are a people holy to the Lord your God. The Lord your God has chosen you out of all the peoples on the face of the earth to be his people, his treasured possession. Isaiah 41 verse 9, I took you from the ends of the earth, from its farthest corners I called you. I said, You are my servant, I have chosen you and have not rejected you. Romans 8 verse 30, And those he predestined, he also called, those he called, he also justified, those he justified, he also glorified. 2 Thessalonians 2 verse 13, But we ought always to thank God for you, brothers and sisters loved by the Lord, because God chose you as firstfruits to be saved through the sanctifying work of the Spirit and through belief in the truth. Colossians 3 verse 12, Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Psalm 33 verse 12, Blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord, the people he chose for his inheritance. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.